it that stayed my hand then? With dagger held unsheathed, blade pointing in its side. I'd been set upon by a predator. It was just looking for a meal. I saw ribs and fearful eyes. What is it that stays my hand now? With so much misery that I could mercifully put an end to. For that animal I let slink off into the undergrowth unscathed. Do I not fear death, but just pretend to? For it was starving, it was hungry, but had eyes too close to let me. If you were easy to kill, I would have done it already. Plagued by phantom noises, that skeletal beast was haunting all my steps, questioning all my choices. With that dagger held unsheathed, I felt sick at my contempt. For you were lonely, you were like me, like some outside force had sent me. If I was easy to kill, you would have done it already.